everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Brinjals are one of my favorite vegetables and I've made several brinjal recipes. Today I'm going to share another interesting side dish recipe. This is Brinjal Lobia Masala curry. It's very tasty and very simple to make. So let's get started and check it out. I have all the ingredients here for this recipe. To enhance the flavor of this curry, we'll start by grinding a fresh masala paste. In a mixer jar, add a quarter cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, a little water and grind everything into a nice smooth paste and transfer it to a bowl. This masala will give the curry a very nice deep and aromatic flavor. Now heat a white pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Allow the mustard seeds to splutter and the urad dal to turn golden brown. Next, add 2 finely chopped onions and 6 crushed cloves of garlic. Now add 4 slit green chilies. Sauté well until the onions become soft and slightly caramelized. Now add a handful of fresh curry leaves for extra flavor. At this stage, sprinkle in quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt and mix well. Next, add 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped and cover the pan. Let it cook on medium heat for 5 minutes until the tomatoes turn soft and blend into the mixture, forming a nice thick masala base. For this recipe, I have taken 250 grams of fresh brinjals. I've cut the brinjals vertically into 4 and soaked it in salt water to prevent any discoloration. Once the tomatoes are well cooked, add the chopped brinjals to the pan. Mix everything well so that the brinjals get coated with the masala. Cover and let it cook on low flame for about 5 minutes, allowing the brinjals to soften and absorb the flavors. Now that the brinjals are soft, add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, add half a cup of cooked lobia. Lobia not only adds a lovely texture to the curry but also provides extra protein and fiber, making this dish wholesome and nutritious. Mix everything thoroughly so that the lobia blends well with the masala. Now it's time to add the freshly ground masala paste. Add 2 tablespoons of the paste and mix it into the curry. Adjust the consistency by adding a little water if needed. Let the curry simmer on low flame for another 5 minutes, allowing all the flavors to infuse beautifully. Our Brinjal Lobia masala curry is now ready. It looks rich, aromatic and absolutely delicious. Turn off the stove and garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves for a nice refreshing touch. Transfer the brinjal curry to a serving bowl. This Brinjal Lobia curry is a perfect side dish. You can enjoy it with hot steaming rice, with rasam or even sambar. This is a simple yet flavorful recipe that makes for a comforting, wholesome meal. Well, it's time to taste. I couldn't wait actually. The aroma is just fabulous. Now I'm enjoying this with some nice hot steaming rice. You can enjoy it however you like. So anyway, wow, the brinjals are so tender, they're so fresh. I'm really happy right now. It's so flavorful. Very tasty. Nothing more to say. Well, I really enjoyed it. It's very flavorful and this brinjal and lobia combination is definitely very new, and if you haven't tried it, I would say you must try this. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.